Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Sahil welcoming you all, and today we're going to talk about BTC, and also, as I promised in my last video, that I'm going to show you the fan indicator and how does the fan indicator works, the moving averages, and which all moving averages we're going to use in this indicator. So and let's start and begin with this. Okay, so first of all, this is already stored in my thing. You see the save indicator. This is the fanning indicator. So once I click this, it just pops up. So by the way, this is the monthly chart, the monthly candle chart for BTC, and I'll show you the settings first. So let's begin with the settings. So yeah, let me start from the first one. So the first one is 7. That's the 7 moving average. This is the simple moving average, SMA, simple moving average, 7, and then the next one is 13, and the next one is 21. After that is 50. Yep, there should be one more, which is here, which is 100. Yep, I don't have a 200 over here, but yeah, 200 is very essential as well. But for fanning, we don't need 200. 200 we need it for different confirmations, and for longer period, or maybe like to get the confirmation if for the support and resistance or the confluences. But as of now, for the fanning, we need 5, which is 7, 9, 13. Let me write it down over here for you, which is 7, 9, 13, 50, and 100. Yep, that's the one. So this 5 of them, which will give you the fanning, I'll show you how it works as well. So let's begin. This is the monthly. I'll do the top analysis for the BTC, like what I'm thinking where it's going, because I've already tweeted that we are going to see 55 first, and if we get confirmation, then we will be seeing 51 as well, 51.5. So let's go to daily. Here we are. What we can see as of now, we can see the forming of the fan. It's not properly formed, but it's almost forming. I'll show you how it forms, but right now you can see everything goes via. One thing to keep in mind, whenever you see the bigger of the moving average, like say about over here, for out of this 5, this 100 is bigger. So when the bigger moving average is above, that means the price is below, the price is going down. And if the heavy moving average, I mean the bigger moving average, which is 100 as of now, if it's below the price chart, that means the price is going up and it's giving a support. And if it's up and the price is down, that means it's giving a resistance. So right now you can see, you see this one is 100. So it broke off, it took a support, but then again it just took a support and then it fell down. So it couldn't hold this 100. So the 100 is above the price chart. Okay, let's show you the fan. The fan is amazing. It works. It sometimes comes, but once it gives a proper fan, then you just go with it. You see this one? This is like a fanning as well. 7, then again over here is 13, then this is 50, and this is 100. So this gives a complete fan, and you see this will respect the moving average, which is the lowest one, which is the 7. Even if it broke, it will take the support from the others, but it's too far from 100. See, it went all the way to 49 from over here, from 27. It's because it made the fan at 27, around 28, maybe like 28. So from 28,000, it just kept on going. It didn't even came close to 100. So over here it came to close to 100, it took a support, then it bounced back again. You see, And when it bounced back, because until you don't get a confirmation, breaking down, because touching is not important. Touching is okay. Until it touches, it broke, it goes down, like say about like this. Once it goes down, and then it goes to test this line again, and it gives a confirmation, then it means it's going down. But for now, what it did, it just gave away here, and then it bounced back. So this is how it worked. Yeah, let me remove this arrows. So yeah, this is how it works. It goes up, and then it kept on going. It kept on going until it make an all-time high. That is 73,000, 736. So yeah, then again it touched over here, gave a support, gone back up, broke up, but okay. So does it work in all the time frame? Of course it works in every time frame. You go to the lower time frame, it will give you the same results. There is nothing going to change. All you have to do is just follow the line, follow the fan. See this? The fan is going up. Once you see it breaks, it's okay. So even if you took over here, see about you came from here this way, and then once you see it's going to go breaking all this, even if you just close the trade over here, you can see it's still a lot of money involved over there. See this? Yeah, sorry. Okay, what was it? 63,000 over here, and over here is 59,000. That's still a huge lot of money. If you're into futures, it's still good money. And still, once it touches over here on the 100, that's 65. That's still, you got a lot of chances. All right. And yeah, this is 4 hours. Okay. And let me show you a better fan, because in 4 hours you have to find it. Yeah, you see this. This is the fan. This is from 43,000. It goes up, straight up, and up. It didn't even properly, yep, just a touch, just a touch. If you see it properly, just a tiny support, and then straight boom, boom. This is how it works. The fan is always like working, but it doesn't give you a proper fan, then it's no point getting inside. If the fan is not properly done, like this fan was not properly done, because this 100 moving average is on the top. It's supposed to be below, it's supposed to be like this. You get it? So yeah, this one is properly done, because you see the full fan is there. You can see the full out, nothing is overlapping anything. So yeah, that's how it works. And you can see this over here as well. Nothing overlaps. It just kept on going, took the support from here, from the 100 moving average, kept on going and going. These are not considered as the fan, because this is not properly, because all are overlapping to each other. Yeah. You see this one is a good fan. It starts well, yeah. But yeah, over here it just jumps around. But still it's okay until you don't see it breaking up, or it giving like a proper confirmation that it's going down. Then you can close the trade. Or you can put a stop loss, trading stop loss, and you can just keep on going until it doesn't hit your stop loss, because you're already into profit. So I have done this with Ethereum as well before, and it was like amazing. Okay, let's come back to the BTC, what BTC is doing, and where we are heading. Let me show you some chart analysis. That's top bottom analysis, yeah. This one I made like a few months back, maybe like 6 months back. Yeah, this is the zone where it's supposed to touch, and it didn't even came close to it. So yep, let me give you a proper analysis for this. Analysis for paralysis. Okay. So here we are, and what we can see, we haven't came down and touched 38.2. That's 382. 382% has to be touched, which is still not done. See this? Okay, this is here. So this is 382. 382 is supposed to be on this line. This is 51,536, and we haven't touched 386 as of now. So this is the swing point from 1 point to A point to B point. So if we calculate this one with the Fibonacci, then we can see that we have already came to 236, but we haven't come and touched 38.2. So most probably we are going to see 38.2, and also there is a moving average as well, which is 13. Okay, I understand 13 moving average is like not that effective, but once it is higher time frame, which is monthly time frame, then even if it's a small moving average, it makes a big impact. And if we go to the lower, and also like, yeah, I'll show you in the weekly time frame as well. So let me remove this. Okay, so we have this line from the monthly moving average, yeah? I mean, like, sorry, the monthly Fibonacci, 38.2. So yeah, this line for 38.2 in the monthly, you see this, we have a structure over here, which will give us support as well. So this line, it's supposed to come over here and touch 51,536, and which is a previous structure too. You see this, we have a previous structure too. I'm not considering this because this is lower than this. So first we have to come to this and then this. And yep, we look very far from here, but then it's not too far. BTC anything is possible. You see these candles? BTC anything is possible. Yeah, man, we have a election next month. So hopefully after next month, once the election is done, we will see a lot of movement. But as of now, until election, we will see a lot of downfall, a lot of bearish. But that's not bearish, I won't say it's bearish, it's actually a correction. And corrections are always good and healthy for the chart. So the better it is, like if we see more corrections, and it's better for the BTC bull run as well. And what do I think about the bull run? This bull run is going to be great, man. This is not going to be big, rather it's going to be great. Why is that? Because BTC ETF has been approved in this time span, like what we have seen in the previous bull to this bull. In between, we have seen a lot of things happening. BTC ETF got approved, and just last month, 23rd, Ethereum ETF got approved as well. So yes, it's getting approval and it's getting positive signs. So we have to be very positive, and instead of selling, we have to be buying. And as Warren Buffett said, once you see red on the streets, even if it's your own blood, buy. Don't wait. Anyways, guys, that was all for today, and we hope to see you next time. And till then, thank you and bye-bye.